back to our channel. Today, MTV Cribs.
Wynn edition.
Come in. We are currently at Encore in Las Vegas. And I'm going to show you our room. Come with. This is the whole room, by the way. When you first come in through the door, to your left, we have the bathroom. We've got a stand-up shower, we've got a bath, we've got a his and hers sink. I haven't decided which one's mine yet. We have a his and hers sink. We've got a toilet with a phone, which is pretty standard in Vegas. America.
Never know when you need an emergency call.
We also have dressing gowns. And we have this for me to sit on and do my makeup. And this. I'm so excited. Okay, so bathroom.
We have this! Look! How exciting!
Wait, let me turn the nightlight. As you can see, I'm still getting used to this. Oh, the nightlight's underneath. So there we have the nightlight.
So that's to not wake people up when you get up in the night?
Yes, and then we'll turn the light back on fully. No. If we continue this way, these handles don't go down. We have ample storage.
Ample storage.
Ample storage. Got some spare pillows just in case the ones we have aren't enough. We've got hangers, we've got drawers. We've also got a safe in here. And an ironing board and an iron, which I don't tend to use. Follow us through. What do you even call this part? So we have the bed. We have a lovely, massive mirror. We have the TV with a welcome message for the guests. Really nice. Are these drawers? Yeah, we have more drawer space.
It's a learning experience for you, not just the people watching.
If you open this, you are greeted by, God knows what that is. We've got a fridge. Is it stocked? Is it not?
Mini bar.
It's a mini bar that we will not be touching. If you remove anything for longer than 30 seconds, you are charged. So we'll just close that back.
You might have the prices up there.
No, so you have to scan it. But lovely little selection of snacks. Some glasses. And if you follow me in here, you have entered my conference room. So if I have anything Charlie needs to sign, this is where we will meet to discuss. We've also got some more drawers, also got a bin, and here we have the lounge area. But no, that is not the star of the show.
What is the star of the show then?
The star of the show, by the bed.
I actually don't know what the star of the show is. That might sound like I was pretending, but I don't.
We have this little gadget thing, and
the technical phrase, gadget thing.
Now, prepare for the magic. Open. And open. It's beautiful. Not too close, the window's not nice. It's just amazing. What is better than this view? I'm not talking about that view, talking about this one. What's your favourite part of the room?
I just love this room, it's amazing. You know what it is? It's incredible. We've stayed in a lot of hotels on the strip, and I think this is the best one. It's better than Venetian, it's better than the Wynn, it's better than Cosmo, it's better than Caesars. This is just, yeah, lost for words. This is just highest standard. It's not just that though. It all looks really nice, but I think it's just this layout. Payne's got this bed, TV, and then this area. And this is a standard room, right?
Yeah.
This is a standard
King bed.
room. So, of all the hotels on the strip that we've stayed at, I think this is the best room. And for a standard room, incredible. So we're here for a night. Definitely good.
You look right at home. You actually do?
So for anyone that doesn't know, Encore is part of the Wynn group. So it is the sister hotel of the Wynn, which we can see behind us. And we stayed in the Wynn before, and it's very nice, but I actually think the room layout in here is much better. I just think it's sleeker. It looks more like an apartment. The Wynn rooms were all one section, so it was very much more a hotel room. Very similar standard, top quality, but I think the room's better here.
And if we have any clips from when we stayed at the Wynn, will we
We'll
be
try and
inserting
find
them?
some. Yeah, we might have some. It was pre-YouTube days, but we'll try and find them.
Wow. Let's see the bathroom. Oh, it's beautiful. Surely we have dressing gowns.
But Wynn and Encore are right at the end of the strip, so they're not the best location. So if you're staying here, you're staying for a really good room, and you're paying the price for a really good room, but it's a little bit inconvenient to get on the strip, so you do have to keep that in mind. The service here in Wynn and Encore is next level. Service in general in Vegas is very good, but I think they're so good here, aren't they? Let's be honest.
Yeah.
You know, like how it almost becomes, if you're not used to it, it almost becomes uncomfortable how much they look after you. So, yeah, very good. We're staying here for a night because we're going to Excess. If you're lucky, we will insert some footage of Excess, because I would say that also is my favourite. It's my favourite club on the strip. So that's why we're here. It's nice and convenient. We don't mind the noise. Like I said earlier, strip side you do get some noise. We were told that if we wanted a quieter night, then we should stay mountainside. But the idea for us is, when the noise stops, we'll be stopping anyway. So when the noise is on, we'll be down there, so we don't mind so much. And we can hear it. I don't know if it's coming across on the video, but Encore Beach Club is just down there, and we can hear it. So that's something to consider, because you are paying a lot of money, and if you want a good night's sleep, you need a mountain view. And you know what else I've just noticed? Something else. Delay a pause. Dramatic pause for effect. Do you know what else I've just noticed and remembered? Wynn has a golf course. So for people that love a bit of golf, that's perfect. But even if you don't, if you look out there, adds to the view. It's such a nice view. If you can see. So like we say, we've just got here. We didn't know the room too well. We've literally just got in, and before we made a mess of it, we wanted to record it. So you saw when T was showing you around, we were learning as you were learning. But the more I sit here and the more I look at it, this is the best room I've seen on the best standard room I've seen on the strip. And we've seen most of them. A fair few of them. We've seen a lot of them. Up until now, I would have said Venetian was my favourite, but this is just fresher and newer. Venetian is due a refurb, so apparently when that happens, maybe change our mind. But of all the ones we've been to on the strip, this is high end. You do pay a premium for it, but I think it's well worth it. Of all the premium hotels, this one's incredible.
Let us know if you want to see more tours of the Vegas Strip hotels.
This is like an impromptu, unplanned mini-series for us, because we've stayed at 3 or 4 hotels on this trip for Vegas, so you'll get to see them all, compare them all. And the good thing is, we haven't just stayed at the premium ones, we've stayed at a range of different hotels, so hopefully you like it. As always, let us know if there's things you'd like to see. If anyone would like to know more about, I don't know, the minibar, if people want to see how the shower works, I know we used to do that. We've not done that. Normally we turn the shower on, let you guys see. But, yeah. Very good hotel.
For more information, you know where to find us. AllThingsTee&C.
Very quick video from us, but as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
That was actually too easy.
I'm so happy. I'm jumping on the bed. Whee! I'm jumping on the bed. See ya.